Tryna do it the right way. I waited for you. I asked you a question, I wish we were destined with your reply. It's been hard. Have you ever seen yourself in the mirror? See, I've been holding back, I've been wanting that sweet holy honey. Sweet holy honey. It's dripping from your lips, every little kiss. Sweet holy honey. Yeah. Sweet holy honey. It's dripping from your lips, every little kiss. Wait for. I've been thinking about you night and day. Yeah. I've been thinking about you night and day. Baby, I've been thinking about you night and day. Ooh, I've been thinking about you, trying to wait for it. I've been thinking about you night and day. Ooh, I've been thinking about you night and day. If I'm honest with myself, trying to do it the right way. That's how you know I love you. The way you wear that gown is a countdown. Sweet holy honey. Sweet holy honey. It's dripping from your lips, every little kiss. Sweet holy honey. Yeah. Sweet holy honey. It's dripping from your lips, every little kiss. Wait for. I've been thinking about you night and day. I've been thinking about you night and day. I've been thinking about you night and day. I've been thinking about you, trying to wait for it. I've been thinking about you night and day. I've been thinking about you, trying to wait for it. I've been thinking about you, I'm waiting for you. Thinking about you, yeah. I respect who you are, and Lord, I respect who I got. You and I been pushing aside all these deep desires.
I mixed the 3D Silver MAC glitter with 3D Platinum MAC glitter. The silver one, the glitter is actually thicker than the 3D Platinum. And then I'm also mixing it with gold. So I'm adding about a half of the gold. So I'm measuring, and I measured it here actually. So I picked an amount and I just poured it in there, and then I went, and the same amount that I poured of the gold, I went half and half. So 1/4, 1/4, and then half of the gold.
See, I've been holding back, I've been wanting that sweet holy honey. Sweet holy honey. It's dripping from your lips, every little kiss. Sweet holy honey. Yeah. Sweet holy honey. It's dripping from your lips, every little kiss. Wait for. I've been thinking about you night and day. Yeah. I've been thinking about you night and day. Baby, I've been thinking about you night and day. Ooh, I've been thinking about you, trying to wait for it. I've been thinking about you night and day. Ooh, I've been thinking about you. It's dripping from your lips, every little kiss. Sweet holy honey. Yeah, sweet holy honey. It's dripping from your lips, every little kiss. Wait for I've been thinking about you night and day. I've been thinking about you night and day. I've been thinking about you night and day. I've been thinking about you trying to wait for it. I've been thinking about you night and day. I've been thinking about you trying to wait for it. I've been thinking about you I've been waiting for you. Yeah, I respect who you are, and Lord, I respect you, our God. You and I have been pushing aside all these deep desires. Trying to do it the right way. I waited for you. I asked you a question, I wish we were destined with your reply. It's been hard. Have you ever seen yourself in the mirror? See, I've been holding back, I've been wanting that sweet holy honey. From your lips, every little kiss, sweet holy honey. Yeah, sweet holy honey. It's dripping from your lips, every little kiss. Wait for I've been thinking about you night and day. Yeah, I've been thinking about you night and day, baby. I've been thinking about you night and day. Ooh, trying to wait for it. I've been thinking about you night and day. If I'm honest with myself, trying to do it the right way. That's how you know I love you. The way you wear that gown is a countdown. Sweet holy honey.
I'm going to go and use the lip liner Boldly Bare from MAC. You guys know I like to overline my lips, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Yeah. All over my lips, and then I'm going to use, use the color Patina from Stila. I love this color. This liquid lipstick lasts all day. I'm obsessed. And as that's going to be my base, and on top of that, I want to make it a little bit more nude. So I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Naked Liquid Lipstick.
I respect who you are, and Lord, I respect you, our God. You and I have been pushing aside all these deep desires.
And that is the finished look. Thank you for watching.